right, we're heading up first round in pro. Drew Brennan Weeks, which means we better be on our game. He's damn good. So, just try to hit the tree and run the number. See you up there. Something definitely happened with Brennan there. That's not like him. Neither one of us were stellar on the tree. I was 47 to his 68, and I just lifted when I caught him, but he must have had problems or something, because he ran a 31 on an 18 dial, and that's not like him at all. But we'll take it. Going on to round two. All right, we're heading up round two of pro. We got a third gen Camaro. I think he's dialed 1099 or something like that. We're dialed 990. Let's get after it. Pressure, these lights are horrible. 45 on the tree. He went 85 red, he rolled the beans or something, but I went 989 with a 9 on my 990 dial, so we're still right there with that. So I'm gonna pump some air up in the tires and try to tighten these lights up a little bit. And going to round three. See you when we get up there. All right, we're heading back up round three, pro. Got Nick in a third gen Camaro. I think he's high 10s. We're sticking with the 990. Let's get after it. Alright, just got back from round three. Got the win. Nick just missed the tree a little bit. He was 57. And then ran a 78 on his 69, so he really fell off. I went 18 on the tree. Ran a 97 ripping it. Scrubbed about 12 miles an hour, so I'll do a run completion, see where we were at. But yeah, heading up to round four. See you when we get up there. All right, we're heading up for round four. Got a red Nova. I'm pretty sure he's mid-10s. We dialed down 988. Kept the tire pressure the same. We were 19 last time, so we'll just try that. Try to get after it. See you down there. Just got back from round 4. I was 26 on the tree with the 988 dial, went 989.6 ripping it. So I'll have to do a run completion, see what we were at. Took 12th stripe. He missed the tree a little bit, he was 68. And he broke out 14th out trying to get there. So, yep, on to round 5. See you in a little bit. All right, we're in round 5. We're down to 5 cars. We got Sealy in the Duster again, so we're gonna go get after it. See you down there. Alright, just got back from round 5. I ripped it to a 92 on my 88. I was 32 on the tree. Jason missed it a little bit. He was 76 and ran 4 off the dial. He was 19.6 on his 15 dial. So we got the bye in the semifinals, down to 3 cars, so we are going to the finals. So I don't know if I'm going to take that round yet, but if I do, I won't record it anyways. It's just a bye run. So we will see you in the finals. All right, we're heading up, final round, pro, 7th round. We got Siobhan in the Camaro, and he's hard to beat. So we're gonna try to be 20 or better on the tree and just run the number and get that Wally. We'll see you down there.
Truly a sight to behold. The man beat the once great champ, now a study in moppishness. No longer the victory-hungry stallion we've raced so many times before, but a pathetic, washed-up, aged ex-champion.
All right, let's go.
I'm a drag racer.
25 total, 24 dead, 1. I was 30 on the tree. I was just wasting gas. So congrats to Siobhan, that's awesome.